If you've been following me on Instagram, you might know that back in February, I purchased a Royal Enfield GT650. And while you all know me for cars and trucks and taking photos and making videos, I'm also very much into motorcycles as well. Which brings me to this video. A couple weeks back, my buddy JB and I met at Rusta's Gold Coffee. Great place, cool vibe, go check it out here if you're in Albuquerque. And he says that he needs my help for something. I'm like, what are you talking about? And he's like, well, I have to go to Texas and I have to bag, tag, and photograph over 100 motorcycles from somebody's private collection to export overseas. And he wants my help to do it. And of course I said, damn right, let's go. And so here we are. JB is gonna pick me up any minute now and we're off to Wichita Falls. What's up, folks? So this is my buddy JB. We've been on the road for, 6 hours?
Something like that.
And we didn't really want to record any of that stuff just because we wanted to catch up and just kind of talk a little bit. But we're here in Clarendon, Texas, and we just met this really nice guy named Keith, and he was kind enough to let us kind of roam his shop, and it's a body shop. And he's got a ton of old antiques and like memorabilia and stuff, motorcycles, like
few hot rods.
Like he's got all of the cool shit that, well, I don't get to see every day.
And nothing's for sale.
And yeah, literally nothing's for sale. And don't take anything because he'll shoot you. I believe him. I would too.
I
you know?
totally do.
So, well, we're on our way to Wichita Falls. I keep saying Wichita because I lived in Kansas, but it's Wichita Falls.
Texas.
And there's probably going to be a ton of motorcycles. This should get exciting. Well, let's go.
Let's do it.
It's going to be late. So we got into Wichita Falls late last night, kind of relaxed. And now we're finally here. Quality Cycles here in Wichita Falls. And I'm really excited to see what's in this building because if we look around me, behind me, we already got hundreds of motorcycles all over, some cars and stuff like that. It's been a pretty interesting trip so far, just seeing a bunch of vintage bikes. But it's time to go check out what's actually in the shop, and that's what we're here for, is to photograph these bikes and get them identified and get them shipped off. So the original plan was to take an individual photo of every single one of these bikes so that the buyer in England, Essex actually, had an opportunity to kind of pick and choose which bikes he wanted. But instead, what's happened is I've purchased 2 bikes. JB's purchased a couple bikes, and he also brokered a deal with the buyer, and they're going to take the whole lot. All of them. All at once. Great work, JB. Sounds like you nailed a pretty good deal for everybody, and everybody's happy. It's super cool. It's been a great experience to be here. And JB, thanks for the opportunity. Thank you all for having me out here. It's been great. And for getting me a good deal on those bikes.
Thank you.
Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.